Based on feedback from the MYP Professional Learning Team and a group of teachers that recently went to a training, we decided that it would be easier to upload all of the resources to Atlas so they are at your fingertips whenever you should need help with something. So for example, under the key concepts, I've uploaded every subject group's guide. So if you click on it, your full subject group guide is right here. For help creating your conceptual understanding, which is a new field that we've added to make creating a statement of inquiry with more ease, there are 3 uploads. One is how to create a conceptual understanding. So if you click on it, this document should come up. And it walks you through how to create the conceptual understanding. The next 2 are links to power verbs to help you kind of target the power verb that you want to include. Remember, your conceptual understanding is a direct link to your statement of inquiry, which should include your exploration, not the global context. Under the statement of inquiry, there's 2 resources: the Creating Statements of Inquiry scaffolded document that I shared with you at the May faculty meeting. And also for some of you that like to learn through a video rather than a document, here's a 3-minute quick video on how to create a statement of inquiry. Now, although your subject group guides do not include the inquiry questions, I'm just kind of guiding you through all the resources that are available. So as we navigate through the units next year, you know that the resources are available. Under inquiry questions, there's inquiry questions guidance, and then again a video. Under assessments, there is an assessment in the MYP scaffolded guidance, which includes examples of how to apply Bloom's taxonomy, examples of graphs, what should be included in every criteria in the grasp. Again, Bloom's taxonomy of action verbs, and then the IB principles of MYP assessment and how to apply that to that criteria. We're going to be tackling that in the fall, but again, I'm just letting you know that these documents are here. Approaches to learning. Since this is part of our SGO, here's the ATL guidance. The difference between explicit and implicit, and how many ATL skills you actually need within each unit. And then I've given you an example of my targeted objectives and strands, and then a targeted ATL skill to match each strand. If there is ever something else that you think would be helpful to add to Atlas or to the unit planners as a resource for you, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I have the ability to add that. So that way, instead of having to dig through a bunch of resources, a lot of us do like to have our binders and printed out subject groups so that way we can write on them and annotate. A lot of us have Post-it notes, but if you ever need a quick glance, they are here. The new guides for both language acquisition and math have been uploaded because those changed for this year. But if you don't have them printed out, here's the link to print them out. But again, these are designed to make it more accessible for you to have the resources. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.